A warm welcome, everyone. This is your host, Rotractor Bhushan Nehete, and I will be the host for the Hall of Fame, the Members Edition. अबे हक दिया. A warm welcome, everyone. I am Rotractor Bhushan Nehete, your host for today's show, Hall of Fame, the Members Edition. So, let us start by introducing our members. Nishank,
Hi.
introduce yourself.
Okay. Hi, I'm Rotract and Nishank Shetty. I've been working with Rotract since the last year, and I really enjoyed the experience, and that's all.
Okay, so hello everyone. I'm Rotractor Shruti Dubey. This was my first year in Rotract and it was kind of amazing experience.
Hi everyone, I am Rotractor Shravani Vighole. I am a part of Rotract Club of TCET since 2 years now. And this year, even though there is a pandemic going on, the Rotract journey has still continued to be really awesome.
Hello everyone, my name is Rotractor Parth Milin Sanke. I'm the member of Rotract Club of TCET for the past 2 years. Experience with Rotract was a unique one. I had never tried such a club membership ever, but this one will be remembered forever. Because as a kid we all want to do social activities, and this is where you start. So this was kind of a very good start for me in social activities.
Hello everyone, that's Rotractor Parasaraya. This is my first year in Rotract and it was indeed great, and all kudos to the core and the BODs. For me, it was like I was hesitated to give an interview because I didn't know how they will be able to manage it in this pandemic, but they did it well and the whole year was incredible. So thanks to the core and the BODs.
Hi everyone, my name is RTR Deep Doshi. So I would like to say that my Rotract journey was amazing. I have never expected, since I am not right now in Mumbai, so thinking that having an online social activity work going on in a whole year time was completely different and unique in the same way. So I really enjoyed my journey and I have never expected such events or all this bonding sessions, etc. things, even the workshops which were organized by the club. So everything was just amazing and I really loved.
Thank you, guys. So let's move towards the first question. The first question for you guys is, what made you join Rotract?
So since the beginning of the first year, at the end of the first year, we were exposed to many kind of club activities, all kind of social bodies, professional bodies, and there was an urge among us. There was developed an urge among us that yes, we should be part of something, and yes, so Rotract was first choice to begin with. We joined Rotract unknowingly, like we didn't not all of us were quite aware about the social bodies and professional bodies, but we did joined it, looked it upon as an opportunity, and then further the past 2 years went very smooth, and it was like we never felt like compulsion among us that we have to do it for a career. No, it was like it came from self that yes, we are part of this, and we were really liking it throughout the whole 2 years.
Okay, so as Parth said, in second year we were exposed to this social body and professional bodies. So I really wanted to join some social body and I really look forward to do some kind of social work. I do it on my personal base also. So I compared all the bodies actually, and I really matched what I want with what Rotract is giving, and that is how I decided that I should join Rotract. So that is how I joined.
For me, to join Rotract was like a new thing because for me, this is my first year in TCT also, and I didn't knew anyone. I didn't know what are the clubs or what are the committees of TCET. But I love helping others. So it was like a great opportunity given by TCET and of course RCTCT to give me an opportunity to help others and also to give a small contribution of my side to the society. So for that, I joined Rotract.
So I had been for the first year while joining Rotaract, I was searching for a committee that involved all kinds of activity, and it was not only focused on only one aspect and would help me grow as a person. I think, and yeah, now I can say that Rotaract was the best platform for it, because Rotaract not only helped me do some social service or community service, but also this year especially Rotaract helped me develop my literary arts and even fine art skills a lot, because there were many activities which involved those. Yeah, and also I joined Rotaract for the fun of it, and yeah, the Rotaract year was pretty much amazing.
So basically, in the start of second year, like others said, we were all just exploring other clubs and social bodies. So I was in a professional body, but I did social body too. And there were like 2, 3 choices for a social body. Didn't actually know that what happens in Rotaract. Just I'd heard, I just had a gist of Rotaract. So I was like, oh, why not? Let's try it. So I gave the interviews, and the interviews were, I thought to be very, I expected them to be very professional and all, but actually the core at the time and the people were very frank and very friendly during the interview. So that also inspired me, like, club, because yeah, it's a social body, but had an friendly and casual touch to it. So that really encouraged me to join Rotaract. Also, I like to help in social works, and also later on I realized that Rotaract is not only a social body; it's a group of people coming together to have fun through. So I work throughout the year.
That was really great, guys. So, moving on towards the next question. If given a chance to go back and participate in one activity which you like, which activity would it be and why?
Recharge 2.0, I'll start first, is the camping activity. And I miss the camping activity this year a lot. Yes, because the pandemic and all. But last year we had the Recharge 2.0, that we had the technical event, Tech World, where we went to a school, probably a Marathi school, Zilla Parishad school, and there were small kids all over. And man, handling those kids was like never tried before, but it was difficult and something unique. It's fun as well as it was tiring. Like at the end of the day, it was very exhausting. Like the kids listen to it, and that was fun. And actually, our team, the Harshali was the president over that year, and she told me that you alone have to manage it. I was like, give me someone, actually, give me a buddy or someone. But she was like, no, why do you need anyone? You should do it by yourself. And I thought, yeah, it's funny and it's exhausting at the same time, but it was a lot fun. Throughout the camp, it was a one night, 2 days camp. We had a lot of fun over there also. Had activities, had night bonfire over there too, and also did some pranks on the BOD members. I remember one doing at the on the Ritesh. I scared him from behind. So yeah, the camping activity for me was very memorable. Yeah, I actually scared him. It was like he was staring at a speaker, and the speaker was making some sound of roaring animal. And he went to look closer, and find I came with the hoodie on, and I got a torch on my face, and was like, "Who are you? Who are you?" And he got so scared. And it was so memorable for me. Like, and he didn't
Wow.
he participated in the fun too. So
I
this
miss like
kind of event, I totally miss them. And yeah, even if this year it would be a camp for one night also, I would have taken it. But nevertheless, the pandemic is serious, and we should take it seriously. So yes, mask लगाओ, double mask लगाओ, vaccine लगाओ, सब ले लो बाबा.
Powerful.
okay. So firstly, talking about which events were good and bad. So more favorite, I would say all the gaming events, and there was one Garba event. done by this Limbacha sir choreographer. I don't remember, Akash Limbacha, right? So that was one of the very good thing. Plus, I regret missing all the offline events which was there, and since I'm at the state, attend all those events. So that was the thing which I really missed this year. But talking about all the online events, be it Scribble, be it Treasure Hunt, be it IPL auctions, everything was just amazing. And since I could only participate in online activities, so I was majorly focused on that part. So yeah, I like that all very much.
So agreeing with Deep, I was also in Ahmedabad. So I would like to attend wall painting. Wall painting was something that I was little attracted that time, and I was disappointed when I got to know that people are going for wall painting and I'm not. So wall painting would be an activity that I want to go in past and attend.
Yeah, Shruti, you missed the BMC office cup sandwich and Coca-Cola.
Oh God.
Oh, God.
My favorite activity and the one which I would like to do again was that Juhu Beach cleanup. Juhu Beach was the farthest place I have went to since the lockdown began. ऐसा मतलब घर के पास के मार्केट से आगे गए ही नहीं थे 2 साल से. So Juhu Beach cleanup was a pretty nice break also, and it was a very reflecting event also. Like it kind of opened my eyes, like how much trash we throw in the sea. And the recent cyclone that happened, it returned all that trash again. So yeah, we need to take care of our beaches. That was a social aspect of that event. The fun aspect was that everyone got to go there. Waking up early morning was a struggle, but yeah, once we reached there, it was quite fun and worth it. We played games and everything. We had some nice food also. After that also, we friends went to eat at a nice place. So that event was a very nice event with including everything, social work and some fun activities also. So I would like to go back to that.
Going next, for me also I agree with Deep and Shruti, the first year in Rotrack, and I regret listening to past stories. But okay, fine. We just enjoyed online as well. For me, it was the eloquent activity. We had to talk with person like NGO students or any like person, and we have to improve communication skills. So for being an introvert, it was like I was tense. How will I just talk for 1 hour? I usually don't talk more than 5 minutes also. But okay, then I will talk.
Tara,
So
you
first
don't talk.
You don't
I
talk,
don't
but
talk.
you talk too much.
I don't
Tara,
talk
you
to
talk.
strangers.
You don't talk. No, Para don't talk. Okay.
I
We
don't
are
talk
not
to
saying
strangers.
2 truths, 1 lie.
I don't talk to strangers. Let me mention it again. So for me, the first session was like 1 eye on the clock and 1 eye on the phone. Like कब 45 minutes खत्म होगा, time limit खत्म, and then. But lucky कि same age की कोई मिली, and for me it was a great event because I helped her improve her skills also, and till date she does everything what I told her to do. Like till now I can see the WhatsApp status, whatever I have told her to do, like every day code बनाओ के WhatsApp status डालो, तो अब तक वो करती है. So वो देख के ऐसा खुशी हो रही है कि मेरा कुछ थोड़ा input या efforts जो उसके ऊपर था उसने करके ऐसा देख रही है वो, and she is really having a great time doing it, and she has already improved it so well. So that activity for me was the best one.
The activities that I would like to do again were one was beach cleanup, which I totally agree with Shravani. Like beach cleanup was a very well planned and a well executed event. Gathered together to beach, and after that, not only during the food we had fun, but after the cleanup we also played a lot of games like volleyball, football, and one more game. I can't remember.
Dodgeball.
Dodgeball, right? We played dodgeball, so it's very nice to like after like during the pandemic where you can't get out to beach and play those types of very refreshing and motivating for at that time. And secondly, we also given some food, which was the best part of that. event because because we had got more food than the people we had, so everyone had to eat like at least 2 or 3 samosas to cover it up, and still there was food left. I think Suraj is in the meeting; he knows that. And the second activity which I like to attend was the Champions League. I like sports myself, and during Champions League we did have fun. Like I attended the football matches along with Prince. Prince was there, and Suraj also came, but he did not play with the participant in the class. But it was good to have him there as an friend who has come up to show his support. Even though we were heavily outskilled by the competitors, but still it was a very nice game. We did enjoy that, and even saw a fight over there, like not a really big fight, but a casual fight. But that was fun. Like आग में घी डालने के लिए अच्छा लगा बस उतना ही. That's all that.
Okay, we'll go to a little fun segment here. This or that questions. You have to pick one. Online webinar or online activity?
Online activities.
Online activity.
Online activity.
Online webinars are like just online teaching.
Lectures.
Lectures.
Yeah.
Lectures भी कोई attend तो करता है. Would you rather pay fine to the SA or attend a lecture by president?
Attend a lecture.
by president.
Attend a lecture by president.
By president. हाँ चलेगा.
President.
लेक्चर ऑन
Online का
करके
offline?
छोड़ना ही तो है.
हाँ ऑनलाइन के ऑफलाइन है लेक्चर.
That is the
Offline.
ऑफलाइन है तो
नहीं
फाइन.
तो fine.
झूठ मत बोलो guys. Anuja as HRD or Anuja as SA?
HRD is okay.
HRD.
HRD.
Our essay is perfect.
Can't he spoken enough already?
Okay. Last one. The president or the secretary?
Secretary.
Secretary.
श्रुति ने कुछ तो बोला लेकिन आवाज आया नहीं उसका.
None of the above है क्या ऑप्शन में?
नहीं. Okay. So moving towards the next question. At any point during your
Sec for
road track,
PM, yes.
yeah,
Sorry.
Sec for PM. At any point during your road track journey, did you ever feel that यार ये event मैंने share करना चाहिए था, या फिर मुझे ऐसा कोई event share करना था? So anything like that?
Share मतलब कैसा है?
Share in the sense you wanted to lead that event.
Okay.
You wanted to carry out that event.
Yeah, I thought I could handle Memepatti event. Memepatti, recent event of.
OP.
Yeah, I really love memes. I could do that event.
I like before I knew that Abhishek played Valorant. Like before I saw him play Valorant, Valorant करना है. उसके बाद अभिषेक को देखा Valorant खेलते हुए और उधर ही खत्म हो गया. Like yeah, he's better at organizing sports. Like as well as he plays better than us. So I thought that could handle it better way.
और कोई like किसे pitch in कराना है? Pitch in करना है इस पे?
मेरा एक सेंटेंस में सब समझ जाएंगे. I still regret being the host of OCV. Not being the host of OCV.
Not being the host of OCV.
Just because of
Wi-Fi. Okay, moving towards the next question. Which activity did you like the most? Just the name of the activity.
Eloquent.
I would say carnival.
Shruti?
Kaksha.
E-Kaksha. Nishank?
Tech
Tech
which
World.
was later converted into E-Kaksha, but fine, still Tech World.
Tech World.
Family night.
Family night. Oh.
Yeah, I'm a family person.
Which song describes your road track journey?
Yeah, let me Google it. Wait a minute.
No, you ऐसा कोई सॉन्ग जो फट से दिमाग में आता है तुम्हारे कि रोट्रैक जर्नी तुम्हारी पूरी समअप हो जाए वो सॉन्ग में?
Journey song from Piku.
That's a really nice song.
Take the word and paint it red in ZNMD.
Oh,
For me, it was you Challa Rahi from Swades.
You hi chala, yeah, same song.
Same, nice.
नहीं पार्ट कॉपी नहीं करने
Good
का.
parts. Google it.
This is
Okay.
yeah,
Suraj.
I can see
Okay.
the googling there.
Okay. I would say perfect.
Really nice song. Shruti?
the perfect is a love song.
But it's about also my journey. I loved the journey. So
इसलिए दीप को गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं मिलती. I understand.
Shruti, would you like to weigh in here?
हाँ, कंधों से कंधे मिलते हैं, कंधों से मिलते हैं. इसके आगे की लाइन
Patriotic.
बता दो.
Okay, so the last question for this segment. What are you taking from Rotrack? Like, how would you sum up your journey? Like, we are at the end of the year. We are shooting this at the last days of our Rotrack year. How would you sum up your journey? What changes have Rotrack made in you, have contributed to you?
okay. So firstly, the reason for me joining Rotrack was as my mom and dad are a part of Rotary since 3 or 4 years. 4 years. So I thought that I need to continue the legacy. And now it's my turn to do the social work. So firstly, the reason behind social work is that everyone is not getting everything. So always share what you have, or you try to give it what is possible for you to give it. So for doing that thing, the major reason was to join the Rotrack. Second, I gained a lot of confidence on myself. I came to know that I can do this. I can do this. So that is one thing which I love. And I can say combined, I can say that yeah, I actually got better in my some of the skills. So that's how I would like to call it off.
Yeah, I'll go next. Rotrack has given me a sense of unity among myself. Like, yeah, I was quite squared. I was like lacking communication skills on other things. So yeah, it developed among me. And like, if this episode was to be shoot 2 years ago, I would be in a like of a state of panic. Like, यार कैसे करना है? 2 दिन पहले से मैं पैनिक में रहता कि यार ये कैसे करता है, कैसे करने का. लेकिन today I was like, I'm like, yeah, okay, I want to shoot an episode. Okay, we'll do it. Even though it was just like 6 to 7 hours ago, I was ready for the event, and this is what change. This is what change looks like. I was not panic at all. I was like really free for this event. And later I would say that yeah, your sense of unity has come from the team, from the Rotrack. Like everything is possible in team. This is what I learned from Rotrack, and I really love it. That I would this would be something that I would not forget for my in my engineering life. This is one of my memories.
Going next, like for me, journey was like magnificent because for me being just 6 months, like it was just 6 months when I came to TCET and lockdown was there. So I haven't not met my own batch like branch also. I don't know any one of them. Just these three people, Deep, Parth, and Shravani, just them. And I don't know anyone, no senior, no sir, no one. So for me, coming in Rotrack was to make new friends, to know how TCET works, how are TCETians, and how are they like. So this RCA TCET gave me new good friends. They boost my confidence. Like being an introvert, again, I am coming on that point. Being an introvert, now I can say I'm an extrovert. So thanks.
When were
And
you
this
introvert, Sarah? When were you introvert?
since 2000.
I seriously doubt that.
Yeah, because you are now my friend, Parth.
झूठ पे झूठ.
Yeah, so I would go next. One thing that Rotrack has taught me in this past 2 years is that to be grateful to be grateful for the opportunities you get, to be grateful for the life you have. Like there have been activities like visit to the old age home or the orphanage. There have been many activities which were quite eye opening, that we have the luxuries and yet we cry or crave for things that we don't have constantly. We have this constant want for, like, no, I want more things and all. And we tend to lose the thing that we never express our gratitude towards the things we have and we already possess. So yeah, Rotaract taught me that one thing, that always be grateful for what you have and then try to achieve more on your own will and on your own mostly. And yeah, like Para mentioned, confidence boost was obviously one major factor which was because of Rotaract. Before Rotaract, yeah, I did events in school and all, but during 11 12 is a phase where everybody gets suddenly exposed to, you know, new people, new college, new places. Till school we were always in this cocoon of known people, known teachers, and 11 12th are actually the testing times. But then when TCET started, Rotaract was the place where I learned how to find my confidence again, develop my skills more. And yeah, I also made really amazing friends due to Rotaract. So yeah, I'm thankful to Rotaract for that.
There was some points when I was involved.
Yeah, I'd like to say now. So I Rotaract has taught me many things. Just like Deep and Shravani said, that we have limited resources and we should be happy that we are not on the side of, like, we are not the one who don't have, who are not underprivileged. Should we, we should always have that mentality to back to the society and all. And being part of Rotaract has definitely helped, like, communication skills. It has also to work in teams, work with deadlines, and not particularly deadlines. Deadlines were just for, one or two activities, and great deadlines were just easy, like stipulate. And Rotaract has also taught me how to, bond with your colleagues, how to get involved with them, so that your efficiency and your communication increases with them. So this were all the main highlights of, getting in working for common. So that's what I share about getting in.
So yes, guys, this was the last question we have had, and we are very happy to be a part of your journey through Rotaract. So this is your host, Rotaractor Bhushan Nete, signing off from your very own show, The Hall of Flame. And stay tuned for next episodes. We will be having a special episode for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bhushan.
Thank you, Bhushan.
Thank you, guys.
Sanopi.